Hey, everyone. I wanted to personally thank everyone for somehow getting this measly, miserable channel to 40,000 subscribers. All right. Just to let everyone know, January of 2017, I had about 57 subscribers. So this is a big thank you. And I wanted to reward everyone by ranting. Yes, 1 month of rants, 40,000 subscribers. I'll be doing a rant every week for a month starting today. Now, there's a reason why I rant. I rant because I enjoy it. I love making fun of the obvious and not being so politically correct. No one wants to offend anyone in 2017, and now in 2018, let's get back to some social discomfort, all right? And I'll be using curse words for these rants, so hide your kids. You know what pisses me off? You know what really pisses me off? This guy said, hey, pipe down, buddy, my kids watch this. Who the French toast told you this was a kids channel? Like, tell your ugly ass kids sometimes people swear and you have a choice, okay? Tell your kids you have a choice as to whether or not you should swear. Why are you depending on me to help raise your kids? You know, here's my question. What are you gonna do when your sheltered son, who's never heard a swear word before in his life, sees a vagina for the first time, huh? You gonna blame the woman? Huh? Gee, you ass. What is it? Daddy's on the computer! Jesus. Anyway, so I'm not an engineer, okay? I don't claim to be the authority on anything, but this is how I get my energy. It's making funny videos. Now, working on a car and busting my ass on a live stream in below freezing temps is not my idea of fun. I mean, yeah, it keeps me focused on big projects, but it's not fun by any means. You know, yes, and it also gets my mind off, day-to-day pressures, but making those funny videos is what energizes me, and I have a really good time doing it. Now, this isn't going to turn into a rant-only channel because I've separated the rant videos and the technical videos. So if you don't have the stomach for the rants, then don't listen to them, all right? Don't come at me with, where's the Tesla stuff? Yeah. Those are the kind of people that still complain when they get free shit. Hey, buddy, you want a free Coke? Do you have Diet Ginger Ale? No, all we have is Coke and it's free. Instead of saying, oh, I'll pass, okay? They'll go on some blog and complain about it. All right. Hey, some guy was giving out free Coke and I asked for ginger ale and he said no. The nerve of that guy, huh? Jesus Christ. But even still, it's funny because I've been looking at the numbers and analyzing my my videos, and as much as people say they hate the rants, the technical videos aren't the most popular ones. The ones where I'm ranting or complaining about something do the best. Like, most of the private messages I get are either, hey man, it sucks that you're black and everything, hang in there, or shut up and play the damn flute again. People keep wanting me to play that damn flute. Like, no one cares about the technical stuff. They just say, hey, play the damn flute and continue being an asshole, please. Now, the user submitted rant of the day is from, let me just check this here. Is from Kensington. What a shitty name that is. Your parents must have hated you. Oh, no. Oh, you idiot. His name's Kensington Locksmith. You cheeky bastard. You're using fake names, you bozo. Anyways, Kensington asked, hey, Car Guru, longtime subscriber, and I had a question for you on what you thought about other Tesla channels. I know you are friends with the Now You Know guys, but what about other Tesla channels? Who would you do a collaboration with? What's the deal with Ben from Teslanomics? I recall you made fun of Ben in one of your previous videos. Also, do you watch Kim from Like Tesla? She is actually a hot MILF. Jesus Christ, Kensington. Keep it in your pants, dude. Kensington, I know you're married. No one says hot MILF unless you're 15. All right, and no 15-year-olds watch this channel because their parents won't let them. So you're probably, let's just say, between 29 and 38. All right? Does your wife know you're out here talking about Tesla MILFs? Oh, you dirtbag. All right, just kidding, buddy. So, yeah, there's a lot of other Tesla channels out there. Mine being the worst of them all, most likely. But yeah, there's some great channels out there. The Now You Know guys, Zach and Jesse, they're great. If I could do a collab with another Tesla channel, it'd probably be Bjorn Nyland, whatever his name is. I think I'd do it with Bjorn because I find his content interesting. I like when channels do things outside of the box. Like, I liked his off-roading Model X video because it pissed so many people off. Everyone's just like, oh, how could you get your truck dirty? It's his truck. You do whatever the hell he wants with it. Another video he did that was cool, I think it was he did a sauna video where he took his clothes off in his Model X with his friend, and they made the Model X into a sauna. And the reason why that was cool was because he dared to be different. He took his clothes off with a male friend in a car, recorded the video, edited it, and uploaded it to YouTube. Now, I wouldn't have the balls to do that, and I think there was an extended cut that involved an actual sex scene. But the biggest thing about that video is that he had a Model X, and let me tell you something about that Model X, okay? In the Model S, there's no sauna mode in the Model S. If I were to turn my heat up to maximum in my S, that means I'd only need to wear 4 jackets instead of 9. Okay? The heat's barely adequate, but anyways, that's for another video. But yeah, cool. Good for him and his X. That's awesome and has sauna mode, quote unquote. I'm glad your Model X heats up the cabin to a sufficient temperature because my S does not. So, yeah, who else? Ben from Teslanomics. Oh, yeah, I like Ben. Ben's a cool dude. He's a really smart guy. He's, you know what? He's funny. He's there showing off his fancy house and his fancy microphone. If you look at his channel, right, I'm pretty sure he has his own studio. He kind of records in a similar place every time. He has this fancy guitar on the wall. You know, that's some fancy shit. You know, I always look in the background of videos, and you could tell what kind of person someone is by what they have in the background. If you look at my, when I work on cars in my garage, you could see what a disgusting, filthy hoarder I am. So you know I'm a piece of shit. But Ben, he's fancy. He has a guitar on the wall, and if you have a guitar on the wall of your house, you know you're eating good. All right, and he also has some quote in huge letters that say some bullshit like "kiss me before you say." I think it says like "kiss me before you say goodnight." You know those rolls of stupid ass quotes you get from Target that you have to like lick and stick on the wall and have those inspirational quotes that your wife loves, like "love is the answer" or "never go to bed angry" or "live, laugh, and love every moment." He has one of those on the background of his videos, and every time I see it, I just roll my eyes. I get so frustrated by that. Are there any like broke Tesla owners? Like, am I the only Tesla YouTuber that doesn't have money like that? Like, I'm like messy and disorganized. I legit pull my cars out of the ocean. All right, my truck has 150,000 miles on it. All right. My Tesla had fish in it for half of its life. You know, half these Tesla channels I see, they have these big mansions, these big ass houses, and they brag about shit like, oh, when I got my second Tesla, I actually flew out to California to drive it back, and I met Elon Musk, and he had dinner, and it was great, and now I'm getting a Roadster. Isn't that fantastic? It's like, the I bought my wife a Tesla videos, they kill me. You know, mark my word. All right, listen up. I'm going to do a parody of one of those videos one day. And it's going to be good, trust me. Anyways, all right, back to that. But no, really, these rich-ass people, let's just say you buy a Model S for 110 grand, right? You're looking at what? Probably damn near 2 grand a month. And some of these people don't even notice it. Like, if you were to take, listen, if you were to take $2,000 out of my monthly pay, right? I would get an alert on my phone saying that I am now $3,000 in the red, and they're closing my account. I don't have money like that. These guys are rich, and it kind of, you know, obviously they're not showing off, but they're blessed when they work hard for the money. But I just look at it like, dude, the rest of us, we don't have money like that. Okay, so this Tesla channel right here is for the people. Okay, I spent $6,500 on my Tesla, and I'm showing you how to do it too. I don't have money like that. You don't have money like that. Let's get together and be broke and stupid and disorganized together, shall we? All right. But no, Ben's a good guy. The premise of his channel is that he's a big data guy. What he'll do is he'll make up numbers. He'll pull numbers out of the air, and then he'll process these imaginary numbers, and he'll make sense of them, right? And then he'll wrap them up in a bow. And Ben's the kind of guy to make a video like, hey guys, Ben here, buy this Model S for 100 grand instead of taking the bus like a peasant. Here's why it makes sense. The comment section will go crazy. Like I read everyone's comment section, and and they just go nuts for this kind of stuff. It's like, wow, Ben, thanks. I forgot I was a piece of shit for a minute. All right, so But hey, I can't talk crap about Ben because he's getting a Roadster, all right? And his channel's doing very well, so you can expect even more of his bullshit quote posters pretty soon. All right, so who else? Kim from Like Tesla. Oh, boy. My favorite one. Female Tesla owner. Great channel. My God, where do I start? Now, she decided to sort of reinvent herself because I think she realized there's only so much Tesla content you can do before it just gets old. And it's the same with all Tesla channels. I'm not just singling her out. In a few years, Tesla's not going to be that quirky startup, all right? They're going to stop bleeding money and become like a real-ass company. And no one's going to care about the vegan interior options for the Model Y. Like, no one's going to care about that, you know? Once they're a more established company, it's going to be kind of like the day-to-day bullshit where they turn people away, piss everyone off, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Actually, they do that now, so never mind. But I think back to Kim. I think she's doing Kim Unplugged, which is basically her life. It's kind of like a lifestyle kind of vlog, like her life, friends, fitness, etc. And I'll be honest, my favorite thing about Kim are her leg humpers. And honestly, I don't have time to watch my own videos. I literally hate every single video I make because I have to look at myself, right? When my editor says, hey, Richard, can you look at this, mate? Cheers. I'm like, shit, I gotta look at myself again. But I know I enjoy reading her user comments. I click on her videos and oh my God, the leg humpers. Oh my God. It's just too much for my body to handle, honestly. I legit burst at the sides reading some of the comments from these thirsty dudes on here. Oh my God, Kim. Oh my God, I love you, Kim. Oh, Kim, you're so pretty. Oh my God, Kim. Yes, reinvent yourself, Kim. Oh my God, Kim, you're so sustainable. You're so sustainable? What does that even mean, you idiot? But these guys are thirsty as hell, and it's always funny to watch men leg humpers comment on a primarily female channel. It's just hilarious. But imagine, see, that's what we can see. Imagine the comments they've already had to delete. That's the thing for me. So anyway, so she primarily does Tesla stuff, and I read the comments a lot. I think one of her recent videos, again, back to the reinvention thing, she's going to start doing yoga and fitness stuff. Well, shit, I'm going to watch it now. I guess I'm starting watching that now, huh? She's going to be hanging with all of her friends, and all of her friends have money, I'm sure. She's not hanging with any ugly poor people, I know that. Oh, hold on. I just thought of a challenge, all right? You know how those build channels have call outs like, hey, I'm going to build a race car and race it against the other car's channel? I have a Tesla channel challenge, okay? The challenge is as follows. I want to see one black person in your video. They could be a featured guest. This literally just came to me. They could be a guest. They could be a friend. They could be anyone. Just one black person, okay? Actually, you know what? No, fine. A half a black person. No one listens to this shit channel anyway, so it's not going to happen. But, oh, man. Imagine the other channels like, oh, God, shit. Oof. Imagine them approaching like a homeless person like, hey, looks like you don't have a lot going on. Do you want to be on my show really quick? I have this challenge. Oh, man. I'll call it the Tesla Black Challenge. That's hilarious. I'm such an idiot. All right, back to Kim. So, you know, I always wonder. I think her husband records most of her videos in her car or she's walking around or vlogging, and her hair's all done up and he's looking at his attractive wife, you know, doing her best to inform the public about being green and sustainable and eating right and all that. And at the end of the day, okay, after all that hard work, there's at least 50 guys watching it on mute with no clothes on. Oh God, I'm just kidding. I'm just being stupid. But no, serious question. Who's watching this with their pants down? Who's listening to me with their little pants on right now? Next episode, I'm gonna do it topless. Anyone wants to see that? I'm gonna switch to fitness too, and I'm gonna do splits and watch my balls detach themselves and roll down my pant leg. Show of hands, who wants to see that? Okay, no one. You guys are dumb. Anyways, Kensington, thank you for the question. I will see you guys next week with different questions, different rants. I'm going to do one rant a week for a month. I know you love to see more hardcore content, but keep in mind, this isn't the B is for Build channel. I'm just a single guy by myself in my basement, super busy with family and other life stuff, and my dirty ass garage. But thanks again, everyone, for 40,000 subscribers. I couldn't have done it without you all. See you guys next week.